Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I figured for today's video I would share with you guys some goodies that I got. Some new Bible journaling supplies, and yeah, I wanted to get this video up because I want to use the things that I got here in my next few videos, but I need to share the stuff with you. So I wanted to just get on here really quick and share with you some of my happy mail. This is from a brand called Hubman and Chubgirl, and they reached out and sent me a few things, so I'm super excited. Thank you so much to Hubman and Chubgirl for sending me these goodies, and I wanted to share them with you guys. I also have a link down below and a discount code, which I'll put on the screen and leave a link down below if you guys want to get some of their goodies. I know right now they have their like an advent calendar and it's all journaling supplies, so definitely check them out. Let's go through these goodies. The first item that I have here is the journaling starter set, and this is the honey lavender, and everything about this brand is just so cute. Like the little the box is cute. The little pouches everything comes in are so cute. Chubgirl, I'll leave their Instagram down below too. She draws everything herself. They're like all this stuff are her illustrations. I just think they're so cute. So this is the journaling set. In this first little pouch here, we have just kind of like a starter of supplies, pens, different things like that. So we have a Tombow gray marker, a sketch pencil, tweezers, perfect for stickers and just like if you work with gems, different things like that, so you can like precisely put them down. If you're a perfectionist, you need tweezers. A brush pen. I actually have these in the color pack, so just trying to remember what they were called, but it's a brush pen. And then a 3-pack set of the Tombow drawing pens, which I don't have these. They're water resistant, so these are perfect for Bible journaling. And then something I was really excited to see in here is this clear ruler. And it's super cute. I have tons of rulers. And my last clear one, I kind of sliced through it with my X-Acto knife. But this one definitely seems stronger. It's a much harder plastic. And it's the perfect size for Bible journaling and just journaling in general. So really excited about this. Then in the bigger pouch, we have some washi tapes. We have a bee one, and then this like lavender honeycomb one, very cute. And then we have some stickers. These are some functional samplers, so I'll just do like so you guys can kind of see what these are. Then some like tracking stickers, which I think are super cute. And then these are like month titles, they have the week titles and just more illustrations. Oh no, here, I'll just move that. So months, days of the weeks, trackers, little illustrations. And I can definitely see me using this in my reading journal. If you don't know, I have a reading journal where I keep track of all the books that I'm reading. And I also started a Bible study journal to kind of keep track of all the books of the Bible I am reading and my prayer requests and stuff like that. And I need to update that soon, so maybe we can do that together and I will show you guys how I plan on using some of these supplies. Some more like mini planning stickers, and then just some more vinyl stickers. And they aren't paper stickers, which I'm very happy about. I don't like paper stickers. And then here's just a grid spacing sheet for the mini dot journal, which is very cute. It's this blue color with little like traveling graphics, illustrations. Very cute. So that was the first little box. Let me just clean up my mess. And then these are the things that I actually picked out from their website. The journaling kit was something they threw in, which I was very grateful for. But here's everything that I picked out. I chose an array of washi tapes, some coffee ones, book ones. I just thought they were so cute. They're little book themed items, so cute. And their little coffee themed items, so cute, so cute. And then I just try to think of what I needed. I got some more paper clips because I use paper clips all the time, and the cuter the paper clip is, the better. Chose some more stickers, and they came in this cute little folder. How cute. I chose, oh, I chose these specifically for my reading journal, so numbering the amount of books that I read, just some more coffee and book stickers, and then some book tracking stickers. Then I also asked for some little inserts for keeping the stickers together. And what I liked about these is that they're the perfect size for my A5 planner, so I can actually put all my stickers, all my stuff right into my A5 journal and have my stickers with me all the time. Honestly, been thinking about moving my church notes into something like this, so that way I can keep it, and having stickers, having little pockets just for different Bible journaling supplies just seemed like a great idea. So I got some of those, and I also got some full-size ones. The other ones are half sheets. And then also a little pouch, so you can throw pens in here, washi tape, different things like that. So that's everything that I got from Hubman and Chubgirl, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and just seeing if you guys want to see how I use these things. So you'll see them as I journal and as I update different journals here and there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget that I have a link down in the description box, and I do have a discount code, so don't forget that too. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video.